Goina is a very sensitive matter,
Yes, it is.
especially for Bengalis.
A lot of sentiment.
In this sort of kind of oversensitive market, which is
Right.
oversensitive about
Right.
Goina,
Right.
and there are legacy players,
Absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
Bangali ache, Dotto, Boshak,
Right.
Emporium,
Right.
Hena Tena,
Huh.
Obangali ache.
Absolutely.
So, in the midst of this, how has it been kind of making foray into this market with Earthments? What made you think of it and how did you do it?
So basically, it was not built out of the idea that I'll be placed in the market and be a player in future. It was not thought about a business and then coming into the circumstances. Like any other artist, they want to do their job. And
Right.
then getting into the situation or getting into the market is blissfully a good thing to run the life, obviously. But what actually made Earthamens a prominent player in Calcutta right now because of the generational change we are developing. No matter in financial point of view or amader look out towards a global exposure,
evolving.
everything.
A normal evolution is happening.
Absolutely, absolutely. Practically, the younger generation wants design. Our generation or the future generation don't want to deny their heirloom. We played the part of making it equally contemporary and Didimar Goina
Oh, nice.
together.
I am such a fan of her jewelry. I have been following her work on Instagram for such a long time. And I'm so happy to be sharing this table with you.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
seriously.
yes.
When I heard that she's coming, I was like, what? I'm such a huge fan of her work. It's so great.
Were you always into sort of
No. That's a fun part. So, Mata Pita Ashirvad niye I went to an engineering college.
oh, lovely.
30 seconds of silence.
So I went there and I studied engineering and I went to work in corporate for 7 years, parallelly learning everything in Bowbajar area. Then I tried to find out somebody to teach me and everybody denied the fact that মহিলাদের দ্বারা এটা craft হয় না আপনি বাড়ি যেতে পারেন. After quite few time I going there and coming back, disappointed. A very old chap, he was like in his 80s by that time.
Okay.
He's very like Kunda in there and he said, hey mate, you shown. I went there. It's like, I'll tell you to cut 100 rounds out of a plate of copper. If you successfully do so, I'll teach you. Next day he calls and says, borrow from tomorrow onwards, you come and
How lovely.
Wow.
Lovely.